So you go in with a closed blade. Your face is
Okay.
facing the tooth structure. You open by moving your handle. You engage your blade, and you stroke down, keeping the blade in contact with the tooth. Okay? And when you do this, you want to open on the side of the toe. So if you come in and you open on the side, it's going to look like that. If you went in and you opened incorrectly, see how that toe comes off? And then you're using back this way, and the toe is free to rip out the gingiva.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you open on that side 1/3 of the working end. Okay? And then when you're coming across your buckle, you're using the other blade, right?
Oh, yeah, you come in the buckles.
So you come in, you open by bringing your handle, in this instance, up and pull it down the tooth with the blade in the same relationship. If you go in and you open and you find your handle back down where you started, you've closed your blade again, and then you burnish calculus. All right, so watch this stain disappear. In, open. See it coming off? In, open. So you can see where I've worked, and you can see where it scraped it off. If I go in, open, and reclose, you might get some of it off.
Yeah.
You might get some of it off, but by the time you finished your stroke, you'd be all closed again, and you'd just be rubbing this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's almost zero. It's almost closed.
Exactly. Okay. So you need to think about your instrument design, and then how you're moving your handle to open the blade to create the proper working relationship. So if I'm on the mesial now, so this was our distal, and see where my handle is. Then I'm changing relationships, and I'm using the other side of the blade, and I'm here, and I move up to open. And then as I come around into the mesial, now I'm going to go this way to open. Right?
I've been burnishing.
Oh, I'm a professional burnisher.
Okay, and you can see the pieces coming off on the chair. Okay, so your blade relationship, you want to be the same, but in order to achieve that relationship, your hand is going to move differently depending on where the shape of your instrument blade and where you're headed.
And the width of stroke is so small. I mean,
It should be very short, very short.
I think
This is unusual to have, like the guy you screened. Now, you'd use long strokes on him today, because he had this patient that had 4 to 5 millimeters worth of stain just running all up and down the tooth. That might be a long stroke. That would be an ultrasonic first, But, so again, if, all right, here's a...
Because I think I'm burnishing it with my ultrasonic, too.
Well, that's if you press. If you press with the ultrasonic, you're going to do that. You
From
can't.
blanching.
You can't press on it. You need to just be very light, because when you press, it dampens down the vibration. Okay. All right. Let's say we're doing anterior teeth, and this is a.
Oh yeah, anterior.
This is okay. This is anterior Gracie. So we're going to use one end for surfaces towards, and if I'm on the direct facial, this is weird gingiva. If I'm on the direct facial, I'm going to raise my handle up, engage my blade, and this is not very sharp, and pull it down. If I'm coming around the line angle,
Take that type it on all.
if I'm coming around the line angle, I'm going to move my handle this way. And if I'm in the interproximal, I'm going to move it this way. Right?
Right.
And then if I've flipped ends and I'm doing surfaces away, up,
Here.
over,
Have you seen hair in the mouth? In the
Over.
gingiva? It's weird, right?
Okay.
And hair in the gingiva.
men's whiskers get in there sometimes.
Oh.
Yeah, it
Oh my
does.
God, yeah, they do.
Yeah,
Sometimes I'll be
men's
exploring,
whiskers.
but
Dr. Nick was like, do you know what this is? I was like,
Hair.
a fingernail? He's like,